So Wallet Credentials is a credential, quite simply, that goes into your Apple, Google or Samsung wallet, much like your bank cards or other things and club cards that go into the wallet at the moment. But it gives you that MyFair V3 card into your wallet for secure access. I think for me the beauty of Wallet is a secure, because it's not only a MyFair Desfire card, but it's also inside the security of your phone under a biometrics, much like your cards are, and a very secure credential to work with. The benefits of Wallet from an operational standpoint is that it's digital. So we're not having to print cards, we're not having to have someone manually do that operation, which can be quite a big operation in large companies, and then send those cards to people physically. You can do this from a software platform through our ecosystem of partners and send that wallet credential out to thousands of people at a click of a button, which operationally for large enterprises saves them a huge amount of money just on data entry alone. That is a key feature to Wallet. It is quick. Although we talk about the usability and the user-friendly experience of the wallet credential as well. Yes, it's environmentally friendly. Yes, it's quicker. Yes, it's secure, but it also, as a user experience, if I have a Wavelynx wallet or a wallet credential on my phone, I can use my wearable, I can use my phone. It's just a real quick and easy and slick solution to an access control system. We're seeing a bigger adoption with Wallet in the last 12 months. We've always seen the enterprise sort of adopt this first, and like anything, they see the value in it. And then as things get more popular and it drifts down the chain to the SMB market. For me, I always talk about people going about Wallet and they go, why Wallet? The same reason my son doesn't carry a physical wallet. It's a generational change. So my son carries a little card holder, and he didn't carry it with him half the time. He has his phone on him. His phone become his wallet. He may have a key in his pocket, but he does not own a physical wallet. I'm old school, I still carry a wallet, but do I use the cards in my wallet very often? No, I don't. I use my phone to pay for everything, to use it on my club cards, to gain access to my gym. It's inevitable. It's one of those things where people, we just see this growing and growing, and the numbers would support that. From a secure element, the main thing with Wallet is obviously that it identifies the person. So when you are sent a wallet credential on your device, it will ask you to, before you can download that to your wallet, like any card that you download, it will ask you to verify you on your Apple and Google. This is basically verifying that you are the person receiving this card and it is the correct person. Then it goes into your wallet. So it truly validates identity. So it is a huge improvement for me on access control than a physical card. The multi-factor, with Wallet, you can have that multi-factor authentication. So you can use your phone almost as a biometric device, if you like, because you can either have a fast flow. So if your access control is to set up with just single authentication, you just hold your phone and you gain access. But if you have a more secure area where actually you want to have your dual authentication, you program that through the access control system. Well, it tells the phone that it's dual authentication, and you must then do your biometric face, thumb or password. So it gives you that dual authentication out of the box if you require it. So we're seeing a lot more people adopt Apple Wallet, either through third parties or through software companies. We're seeing, certainly in the UK, we're seeing a bigger adoption now, and in Europe. So for wallet adoption for people, the main thing is making sure you have the correct reader on the wall that's wallet compatible, a bit like our Apex range. And again, then finding a partner or an ecosystem in there you can buy and wallet through. Whether that's a PAX or whether that's through a PIM software company, there's plenty of partners out there now that can supply you not just with Apple Wallet, but with Google and Samsung Wallet.